Oh, welcome back to Trina's Motivation. So today, guys, you're gonna journey with me. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna cook my white rice and also my Jamaican curried chicken. Now, there's two ways you can do curry chicken. So I'm gonna do it the first way now. And the next time I intend to cook curry chicken, I will certainly show you how to do it the second way. No, guys, nobody criticize. Just tell me how you do yours. All right. So let's get right into the video. Too much talking, Trina. Video time. So, guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my curried chicken. So I'm going to try it this way for the first time without putting any water in there too early, as I've seen Khalid does on Khalid J's kitchen, and I think on Val's kitchen. So I have two kind of curry. I have the curry powder. I love this one. Couldn't get it, so I went ahead and I got the Indian curry. I'm not sure I love that one so much, but me I tell you, said this one is the bomb. So right here now, I have some. This is gonna go into the pot. This is a piece of ginger, some garlic, and some scallion. And this is my chicken. It's just seasoning, some mixed seasoning. This is the seasoning I actually use. This alone I have used on it. So I've placed on my stove some just a bit of oil. So I'm going in with these ingredients because you want to make sure you want to have your curry, and then we're going to place our curry in shortly. Curry, and you want to mix it around a bit until you're not going to burn it, but you're just going to mix it around a bit, and then you're going to place your chicken in. Now you could actually put the curry on your chicken, but I chose to do it this way today to see if I get the same outcome. So the next video I'm going to come with, I will actually do it when I put the curry on my chicken. But for today's recipe, I am putting it on my pot and not on the chicken. Now the reason I'm doing this is to, I'm trying something. Notice the ginger is big. I do it big so I can identify it later on and take it out. I'm smelling the ginger. So what you do, you go in and then you're going to ensure all the chicken gets some amount of curry on it. So I'm going to do this and then I'll show you how it looks once. But it's basically showing you what I'm doing right here. So this is what it's looking like. So all pieces of chicken actually got some amount of curry to it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this and allow it to spring its own water. Now guys, it's the first I'm actually doing it this way. I tend to kind of turn up my stove high, and then I'll pour my hot water, and I already have my hot water over here. But as I said, I saw it on two channels. So turn the stove down low, allow the chicken to spring its own water. So I'm definitely going to try that. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to return in 15 minutes to see what it's looking like. So stay tuned for that. This is after about 15 minutes. You see the color already. And I have not placed any water in it. As I said, I'm going to try it this way. So what I did was to turn my flame down. So to see the color of my curry coming on. But I want to tell you, the smell in the kitchen, the ginger and all the other ingredients, oh my God. So I'm going to leave this again so it continues to cook. While the curry is on its way, I have my rice cooking. So there is my rice. You notice the butter that's in there. Oh Lord have mercy, this rice is gonna be something else. Are you seeing this? Look at that color. Man. I generally use some foil paper just to make sure. So let us see where the rice is at. Looks like it's ready. So based on how it is, what we're gonna leave it covered. Gonna turn our flames off and allow it to simmer down some more while our curry is cooked. We're gonna put in our seasoning now. So guys, the chicken is basically cooked. I put my seasoning in, so there we have them. So we have some carrots, scallion, tomato. We have all of that works. And we also have some potato, right? So we want to put that in, and that will help to, you know, boil down, give you a nice little flavor to your curry, right? We have some thyme as well. And if you notice, I did not put any Scotch bonnet in because I'm not a Scotch bonnet person. Well, I don't mind it, but my family do. So I always tell you. And like for this now, guys, I will tip a bit of boiling water in. So there we go. You don't want your flames to go down, so you want to make sure the water that you're using is still hot. So we have our kettle with water in, so we're gonna allow this to simmer down. Simmer down. Yeah man, simmer it down, and then the curry chicken ready, Jamaican style. We're basically on the finished touch, so in another 10 minutes I will turn my stove off, and then my chicken is ready. So there you have it, guys. This is the finished product of my Jamaican curry chicken, no pepper added, and may I tell you, say it tastes good. You hear that plate there? Is my son knocking it, him enjoying it, and of course we put a little vegetable on the side. I just can't wait to have this meal. Going to enjoy it. I am definitely going to enjoy this one. It's my awesome Jamaican curry chicken, and there we're gonna go in. My. So we have and if you look, the chicken is super soft. There you go. And you have the potato almost mashed out, and you have our carrots, and we're going with a little rice. That's how we do it, you know, like this. Tastes good. It really tastes good. So try it this way, or share with us how you do your curry chicken. Alright? But I'll see you guys in my next one. And bye for now. Bye everyone.